Hello, in this video I want to show you how to change a screen sleep timer on Realme Book Prime 14. And to do this, we'll need to click on the start, then go to the settings. Right here you'll find the power and battery. There's a screen and sleep, and here there's 4 different options. We have the when battery is plugged, turn off my screen after, and here you can choose the timer. The same as when it's plugged in. On battery power, put my device to sleep after, and when it's plugged in, there's also the same options. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.